Hey beauty lovers! Welcome to Lip Tutorial. In today's video, we're sharing one of the most requested beauty topics: how to get soft, naturally pink lips without using harsh chemicals or expensive products. If you've ever struggled with dry, dark, or pigmented lips, this is for you. Let's go step by step, using safe, effective, and natural methods that really work. Let's begin. Step 1, hydration is everything. The number one cause of dull, dry lips? Dehydration. Our lips don't have oil glands like the rest of our skin, so they dry out much faster. If you're not drinking enough water, no lip balm in the world can help. So, start your day with a glass of water, and aim to drink at least 8 glasses daily. You can also eat water-rich fruits like watermelon, oranges, and cucumbers. When your body is hydrated, your lips stay naturally soft and healthy from the inside out. Step 2, gently exfoliate your lips. Dead skin builds up on your lips over time, especially if you wear makeup or spend a lot of time in the sun or wind. To restore softness, exfoliation is key. Here's a quick DIY scrub you can make at home. Mix 1 teaspoon of honey with half a teaspoon of brown sugar. Apply it to your lips and gently massage in small circles for about a minute. Then rinse with warm water. Do this 2 to 3 times a week, not more, to avoid irritation. It will remove dead skin and leave your lips smooth and glowing. Step 3, moisturize with natural oils. After exfoliating, always moisturize. Instead of store-bought lip balms, try these natural options. Coconut oil for deep hydration. Almond oil to help lighten pigmentation. Shea butter or beeswax for longer-lasting moisture. Apply a drop of oil every morning, and again before bed. This locks in moisture and helps repair cracked or damaged lips naturally. Step 4, use natural lip tint to bring back color. Want that natural pink tint? You don't need lipstick. Try beetroot juice. Yes, beetroot. Here's how. Grate a small piece of beetroot and squeeze the juice. Mix it with a few drops of coconut oil and store it in a small container. Apply this like a lip balm once a day. You'll start to see a gentle pink stain on your lips that looks totally natural and chemical-free. Step 5, protect your lips from the sun. We all use sunscreen on our face, but lips are often forgotten. And yes, sun exposure can darken and damage your lips. So always use a lip balm with SPF, especially when you're outdoors. Even better, wear a hat or sit in the shade when possible. This one small habit can prevent years of lip damage. Step 6, stop these habits that harm your lips. Here are a few things to avoid if you want naturally soft, pink lips. Don't lick your lips, it dries them out. Don't peel off dry skin, it causes cuts and dark spots. Quit smoking if you do, it's one of the top causes of lip darkening. Remove lipstick before bed, always. Small changes can make a big difference over time. Step 7, eat foods that support lip health. Yes, your diet matters. To keep your lips healthy, soft, and pink, eat more Vitamin C-rich foods like oranges and strawberries. Vitamin E from almonds and avocados. Iron from leafy greens and lentils. And healthy fats from nuts and seeds. When your body is well nourished, your lips show it too. Step 8, lip massage improves circulation. Massaging your lips gently for 1 minute a day can help restore their natural color and softness. Use a drop of coconut or almond oil, rub in gentle circles, and then leave the oil on overnight. Do this daily or even every other night for visible results. Bonus tips: try a humidifier at night. If you sleep in a dry room, especially in winter, your lips can lose moisture overnight. Using a small humidifier in your bedroom can add moisture to the air and keep your lips soft by morning. Bullseye emoji. Final thoughts: you don't need expensive lip masks or chemical treatments. Just a few simple steps, done consistently, can transform your lips naturally. Here's a quick recap. Stay hydrated. Exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week. Moisturize with natural oils. Use beetroot tint for rosy color. Always use SPF. Avoid licking and peeling. Eat healthy. Massage gently. Sleep with a humidifier if needed. Soft, pink lips are possible with just a few minutes of care each day. Thanks for listening. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty tips. And remember, natural beauty is always in style. Growing heart emoji.